Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Talking Chronos. If you've been searching for a stylish and safe way to display your treasured timepieces, this video is for you. Today I'm going to share with you this watch stand from Mirage. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing together. If you see here, it comes in a nice thick black box, has Mirage as a company logo on the top. Let's just open this box and see what's inside. Looks like you have a note from the owner here, Ralph. And you have a way to receive a prize or win something here, so something really cool. It comes nicely packaged with this nice foam to protect everything, and there it is, guys. Inside here is that nice watch stand from Mirage. Let's go ahead and take it out. So you have this watch stand, you have a nice thick microfiber cloth, and this looks like an Allen key. So let's go over this watch stand in just a little bit more detail. It comes in a single watch configuration, which is perfect for your daily timepiece or even for you to take with you while you're traveling. It features a hexagonal lilac marble base, a genuine leather cushion, and stainless steel hardware. So the stand weighs at about 2.3 pounds and it has a very nice feel to it due to its solid marble base, and it feels really highly reassuring that you don't have to worry about knocking it over by accident. So the white lilac marble is actually cut into this hex shape. It's actually a very nice thick piece of marble here as well, and it's polished, which gives it that nice glossy and premium looking finish. One thing to note is that no one slab of marble is really the same, so depending on the piece that you get, it's going to probably look a little bit different from what I'm showing here, or maybe even what they advertise online. It actually has nice smooth machined bevels on every facet of the hex, which means there are actually no sharp edges and everything's very smooth and done very nicely. There's also that branding that you see here, which is the Mirage brand. So the bottom of the base is actually lined with this black felt, so you can see this here. It's actually there to keep the stand in its precise place and to avoid any kind of mishaps, and also protect the surfaces in which the stand sits on. The felt does a great job at preventing sliding or rotating, especially on a polished tabletop, and as you can see here, it's not that easy to slide it around. It actually does have some weight to it, so it's very sturdy and stays in its place. So if you've owned other watch stands in the past, you probably have noticed that maybe the stem has come loose over time, and there's no way to tighten them up as there's no axis beneath the felt or any other protective lining underneath. Mirage actually solved this problem with a very ingenious design feature. They've designed their felt to have a little secret compartment with an X cutout, which allows for access to the hex screw beneath right there, and that will actually allow you to tighten this stem if it ever comes loose. And also, if you would like to change the position of the stem in any way, props to the Mirage team, as it's a great feature that really shows how much they care about the quality, durability, and long-term use of their products here. So this cushion is fully upholstered with genuine black leather, which fits up to a 45mm watch case. The leather is actually really soft and smooth and won't scratch or scuff your watch or bracelet. Props to them again for not cutting corners or cost. They could have easily done that and put a PU leather on it, and I'm really happy they focused on quality here and actually included a genuine leather piece. So this is my Omega Seamaster 300M. It has a 41mm case diameter, and as you can see here, it fits really nice proportionally on the watch stand, and it just looks really great in place. The stem is made out of solid stainless steel with a solid hex base, and it's not a tube. It's a solid bar that they bent into this curved shape. It doesn't flex or wobble around even when you have a heavy piece on the cushion, and the stem will support it and it isn't going to flex. Additionally, inside the leather cushion is a fixed plate that extends out from the stainless steel stem. That means that the cushion can't move, flex, or rotate, and it's not going to break, which is another added feature for durability and high reassurance that there won't be any mishaps. Alright guys, so here are my final thoughts. The watch stand will satisfy the taste of any discerning watch owner. It will fit seamlessly into any interior space and lifestyle. Besides looking great, the watch stand also helps prevent scratches and blemishes that build up when putting a watch on a hard surface, and I know we've all been guilty of that. It can also help reduce the amount of scratches on your clasp, as you can simply take off your watch and rest on the stand while you're typing away. So that's actually a huge plus too. It doubles as a unique decor piece for your home or office, and it's also a very stylish way to display your timepieces. So I really like this, and it's something that I'm going to be using daily. I think this would make for a nice gift for a fellow watch enthusiast, or it's something that you can really treat yourself to. So using a watch stand is a great alternative way to storing or displaying your cherished timepiece versus putting your watch in a display case or roll like this. By the way, guys, if you guys would like to see a review here, I'll put it on the info card above and also include it in the description below. So I highly recommend this watch display stand from Mirage. It's a quality engineered and manufactured piece of art with both form and function. The price point is also excellent and is very affordable at just around $39. I'll go ahead and include a link below to where you can purchase this. So Mirage offers a wide variety of products for all you watch enthusiasts. Something from this watch stand to this single watch roll to a double watch roll, a triple. They even have watch boxes, watch cases. Basically, they have anything that you might need for your watches. So I recommend you guys check them out if you're looking for anything else. So do you like the watch stand, or are you more of a watch roll type of person? Or do you have a different way of actually displaying your cherished timepieces? Either way, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know what other watch enthusiasts are using. Thanks again for tuning in, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. It really does help the channel out, and make sure to check out some of these other videos. Thanks again, and I'll catch you on the next one.